Hello friends, me Shivam Raj with my friend Asneas Samal. Today we are going to discuss on a topic front-end and back-end, front-end versus back-end. This is our 19th day of 365-day challenge to improve our English. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. Me, Shivam Raj from Nalanda Vihar, which is also known for the one of the most ancient university in the world. I am a sixth semester computer science engineering student in SJV Institute of Technology in Bengaluru. I learned many things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, IoT, React, Flutter, and created some projects on the basis of those skills. Based on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I created about me website, portfolio, and some clone application. With the help of Flutter, I created a file manager application to manage and store data in it. With IoT, I created a mini project as a clean water and sanitation to identify the purity of water at any place with cost effective instrument. And with the help of React, right now creating a full stack application which is Evercard. So it's front end done, but backend and database are still remaining. We are working. So it's all about the skills. Then there are two NPTEL courses I completed. First one is responsible AI, and second clean system design and sustainability. So both are very good upcoming. Both will be upcoming trends. So that's why I done it, and I participated two times in hackathon, one for problem solving and one to create a full stack application as a stock SPI to predict data, predict prices. So it's all about me. Yeah.
So, hello, it's me, Nancy Samal, and I am from Odisha, and currently I'm pursuing my BA in computer science engineering. And no, I just made some projects like AR and all we have done. We have used like front end we have done, and back end like we are doing, like we will do, and database also And currently I'm studying about back end, that is Spring Boot, and also no, we just um in NPTEL course also I have taken two courses and I have gained that certificate also of responsible AI and also I think system design and sustainability. And we have done a project of MIT also in that MIT, and we have done like clean water and sanitation. Okay, so I I think uh, we have done a more thought like in React.js also we have done like Evercart also and that's it about me.
So as a today's topic, front end versus back end. So first of all, I'd like to mention like what are the projects I did on front end.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there are various several projects like first of all portfolio that about me portfolio, then some clone application for Amazon, Flipkart, and some shopping application like Google Pay. So front end part of those things I done using like clone method, like on the basis of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript skills. So actually these are front end part. And one more thing, as a front end, we had done Evercart. So in that project, we done that front end application only right now. Its backend and database are still remaining. So it was done with the help of React. So React is also a front end. application, front-end framework application. So yeah, it's all about like, and anything you did, like any projects or any activities.
My personal yeah, projects I've done like Amazon Flow, and I've done from front end, and I've done like links like directly linked from Amazon. I've done like using my own website and linked with Amazon in the front end side, and also I think I've done like some converter. I've done like that, front end things, and I've done like basic login page and all to just learn. I've done some projects of that, like website. I'm making a website, how to make that all projects, like little things I've done of front end. Back end, not done still, but we will do. Not still done.
So what do you know about front end?
Front
What do
end.
you think
Okay.
about front end?
Front end basically means like just in a simple words. I can say that many people or many users are basically using their devices like laptops, computers, mobiles, and all. Basically, what they are checking, what they are basically searching, or basically using the website and all, or apps like that. Basically, that are used like developed by a front-end developer, where they develop some designs. They use some styles to basically make attractive website where people will basically see the website. If they like, they will use that website. Because of front-end developers, people are using that things. I can say, and I want to ask a question like in front end I told, and in front end only, like we can you just say about what skills do you need?
So first of all, for beginner, uh, they can't jump directly into React, or they should not jump. First of all, they should learn HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript. So with the help of HTML, they can create a very uh, beginner application, like you can say how to make a form, then how to create a portfolio,
Hmm,
and some clone, but without using any CSS like background or color or anything. Only with the help of HTML. First, create with the help of HTML. So
hmm,
it is the first part of front end. Then, if structural part are done, then they should learn about CSS. So CSS is basically design part. Like take an example of car. So
hmm,
car frame of car is HTML, color, the modification are CSS, and at last engine, petrol, those things are JSS, JavaScript. So first of all, frame is compulsory. If you don't have frame, you can't design a car, you can't paint a car, you can't modify a car. So HTML is the first thing you need, then CSS, and then at last JavaScript. And one more thing related to JavaScript. JavaScript can be used for backend also, like Node.js, Express.js. No, not Express.js, Node.js.
hmm.
So JavaScript is a front-end part and backend part both. So and so these are the basic things everyone should know. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then after that, there are some frameworks like
Hmm.
React. React is a framework to implement. While implementing React, you can write a very lengthy code within a very within one page. You don't need three-page HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can write within one page. So it is like simplicity,
Okay.
reusability, creating buttons. means creating some components so that you can use again and again. So it's like mm, decreasing code complexity. And one more thing, there are many frameworks. So Tailwind JS, Tailwind CSS. So
CSS.
Tailwind CSS is a framework so that you can write less code, but you can use it again and again, like components. So these are the front end and back end. I don't have much more idea, but back end like Node.js or Angular, like something API, maybe database also we can say. So yeah, it's all about front end. What I know.
Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, what are the job roles then existing like in the companies? Who is better, front end or back end? Now,
For front end,
no, front end and back end. Which job roles basically more jobs will be available or front end or back end?
hmm,
Hmm,
both equal.
for sure.
For front end more jobs.
Okay. Hmm.
Where are you searching?
Okay. Any
think,
questions?
think if I am not correct, you should correct.
You have to check about that.
So yeah, maybe most. I think both are same, but maybe I don't know about it.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Any
You
questions?
asked one question. What are the profession as a front end back end? So first of all, designing,
Hmm.
then development,
Yeah.
then
Testing.
testing part, hmm,
Yeah.
then
Uh, Analysis.
develop
Analysis. No, not
analytics.
analysis.
Yeah, analytics can be or not
That
data
is for
analytics.
data analysis for them. It is.
But but data analytics can be a part of front end back end, like back end part.
Okay.
And then
What we have?
full
Security.
stack, full stack developer,
Security. We have
security also,
for
security.
backend. For
Yeah,
backend. It is.
they are the job roles. And one more thing, like which language, full
What?
stack can be done, front end back end can we do in Java and Python, any language.
Yeah.
Which language you should prefer?
Python or Java.
Hmm.
Hmm. For beginners, I think Python is better.
For beginner, Python is better, really.
Yeah, but like learning all I'm saying. If they want to learn any language, so Python you can basically learn from these basics and all, like printing, how to print and all.
Hmm. No
After
need of extra thinking. Directly can use library function.
if they use directly Java, it is better, but they will take a risk. Like they will think that it is very much difficult. What is this? What is this syntax? What if I for why printing like this and all? Little they will think about that.
What is indentation in Python?
Hmm? What?
Indentation. Indentation. Do you know
Hmm. Can you say
any
some about it so I can
anything about
understand?
indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time? Any thing about indentation, or have you ever any time?
I have done, but I don't remember. I just, I think for loop or what you're saying about.
Indentation is like auto spacing after for loop, while loop, those things. Spacing after every
They're
loops or every condition.
using
Tabs,
continue and all.
tabs. No, tabs. Like uh, indentation means proper writing using tabs. Tab button in
Mm,
keyword. Actually, indentation is related to Python.
okay, Div, I don't know ideas.
Those who know
What about
about
backend? Explain backend.
backend, backend is like if I do login in HelloTalk, so my data will be stored in database as a backend part of uh, that application. And if I again log in using that ID and password, it will give me permission to access
Hmm.
in that app. If my ID or password, anything, any one of ID or password will be incorrect, it will not give me permission to use that application that time. So it's like backend part, storing data and using for another time. And like there are
Okay.
many,
Just a minute.
a very vast backend is a very uh, huge part of full stack development or any application. Like we order something in Instamart, so within 10 minutes
Hmm.
it will come. How we know? Because some messages are coming continuously that
Yeah.
uh, your item is shipped, your item is coming, your order is means a vehicle moving continuously from last 10 minutes from destination
Yeah.
to from, from that shop to your home. So
Yeah.
it is everything related to backend location, live location sharing of that delivery partner,
Hmm.
then transactions, also a backend part.
Hmm. Frontend for culture, right? Designing.
Front end part is only design, ordering, or do you want to order something? Yes. Buy,
Yes.
and then when you clicked on make payment, it uh, it went to backend part
Okay. It is
payment.
like it is like coming going in just like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Before it was not there like that. Now like
Yeah,
new technologies are coming within 10 minutes, within 5 minutes, now 4 minutes. Now Ola is taking within 1 minute.
1 minute, really?
They just within 2 minutes, coming in 1 minute.
Okay, that one for going somewhere when you book bike or car.
What happened?
Nothing. So summarize today topic. It's all. It's enough, I guess. Anything you want to add?
Yes. No.
So
No. 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 Nothing.
so yeah, summarize. Can you summarize today's topic?
Yeah. Summarize. Please
Summarize, bro.
admit that I
Okay.
am getting lagging to 1 minute. Just a minute. I cannot hear your voice correctly. Okay. Okay. What we just learned about till before 20 minutes that we sure in front and all we have to basically make design where people are basically seeing the your website and all, and in your backend side basically like your login side or paymenting things and all like backend which user cannot see, that is called backend and all. Basically that is work on backend. And full stack means both of your front end, your backend, and databases and all there. Database basically collection of your data, basically collect all your data and keep it in a side, and it will be in a security mode, so no one can be accessing that. Is To become a full stack developer, you should basically have front end, backend, database. And for the job roles also, it will be like both are 50-50%. All the jobs basically comes for front end also it will come, for back end also it will come, and for full stack also it will be coming. So it should be mastered in one side and get a job.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's all about today's topic. Mm,
Yeah.
so, friends, this is our 19th day of 365-day challenge to improve our English. And we will do daily one new topics like today's front and back end, previous day Git, and what are the importance of Git. So, yeah, that's all about today's. Bye bye. See you. Take care.